Hello, you back to join for more? Okay, let's do this.
Gigi here reporting live from Night Creature Watch. Things are getting spooky around here, folks. Some might even say strange.
Come on down to Fairfax Monsters, Creatures, and Other Various Beast Supply Shop on the corner of Puck Puck Boulevard and Mango Avenue. Tell them Fairfax sent you. You'll get 18% off your first purchase of Night Creature Protection Cream.
That's 1, 2, 3. Fairfax will set ya. May cause partial blindness, stomach ulcers, dysentery, cholera, lactose intolerance, full blindness, severe eczema, or death.
Gonna need to borrow this, but I'll bring it back, Grandma Rose.
Mm.
Oh, if you listen carefully, they say you can still hear little Todd's cries in the night. Oh, I'm Todd! It's coming again!
That's not what Todd sounds like.
And some say Todd was just the appetizer, because the night creature's still hungry. Come on!
What do they think they're doing? Making a game of all of this? It isn't safe out here, you lot! You all need to go back to your huts and lock your doors. There is a town curfew in effect.
Since when, lady?
Since now!
Run for your life!
Oi! Ugly! You better run, Night Creature. Clover's bringing a pain!
God damn it.
Here aggravates my reflux.
Great, we're going to have to cut our visit short and just give my brother a crown. What a shame. Philly, I'm having one of those, what are they called? Emotions.
Oh, how awful. What on earth about?
I'm overcome with this feeling that perhaps we should give our son a chance.
What do you suggest? Some sort of party? Like the one we gave Cousin Nancy?
Such a savage, am I right?
That's your mother.
No, please!
That was quite a party, wasn't it?
Oh, then it's settled. We'll throw a proper shindig for the boy.
A masquerade ball.
Oh, good show, dear.
Stupendous.
Oh, good fun. Good fun.
I like the graphics of the rain.
My brown derby. Oh.
What the deuce happening here? Why was Clover Spear lodged in your tushy?
What? Oh, this? It's a funny story, actually. Night creature, Momo! What?
Pretty obvious. It was pretty obvious because you can see it spin its tushy.
How about a little game of good news, bad news, yeah? Okay, good news. I hit the Night Creature with my spear. Heard him howl, real deal and everything. Bad news, he got away. But I'm pretty sure I figured out the sit.
Here you go, Your Majesty. Just drink your gecko milk and let the calmness take over.
Wow.
Yeah, let me get that for you, Your Majesty. There you go.
Don't leave me, Momo.
Don't you worry, I'll be right here by your side, no matter what.
Oh no.
Your Majesty? King Julien? King Julien?
Oh no.
Get away! Please don't hit me! Please! Julien! Please, Your Majesty, it's your Moo-Moo.
Don't let them touch you, dear, or you could get infected with some kind of blue collar disease.
You're scaring me, Barty. I like it. Wow. Fatty boar. Hey! Oh, thank you. Guess I'll just go clean this up. Oh, wow, you're a big boy. You must be hungry.
Ted's a rapist. Hello.
Night creature!
Yeah.
You've got someone your own size.
Oh, this is quite a Excuse me! What do I look like? I'll tell you what I look like. The future king!
Ah!
Avenge my stepdaughter's death, y'all.
Look at Uncle King Julien.
It's the king.
It's all over. Night creature. Hey, stop, all of you, stop! Nice work, princess. You trapped the night creature.
You're just like your grandmother. There's no such thing as a night creature.
If there is no such thing, then please tell me what is that? Huh?
That is our son. Everyone calm down. This is your king, and he has a very, very bad gecko milk allergy, which turns those of the Julien bloodline into awful, hairy, unpleasant beasts.
He's been drinking gecko milk all week.
Lucky for you, I always travel with my travel scepter. Huzzah!
King Julien, you're okay.
Where am I?
Someone's been feeding you gecko milk, son.
Well, yeah, Master Kura gave it to me for my diet.
What are you talking about? Why would I ever try to put you on a diet?
Yeah, that's true because I watched all the episodes of King Julien.
What?
Oh, no, all these notes clearly say, please deliver gecko milk to King Julien. Signed, and it says right here, Master Kura.
No, you can see. You look at the top. It says Uncle King Julien.
Written in crayon.
You slut.
Nobody poisons my son.
Nephew, hold your ground. Let's just talk about it. What? Milk that bad lemur.
No, please, God.
Our son may be a bit of a pickle-headed jollywag sometimes, but he sure knows how to party.
Oh, yes, indeed.
Oh yeah, people! Everybody do the night creature!